Okay, we're taking little baby for his first ride in his pram, his nice new 4x4 pram this morning. He's been home not even a week yet. Let's have a look what he looks like now. Ooh, and the sun's in his eyes, Amy. Hello, my boyki. That's a pretty boyki. Wow, isn't he nice, Amy?
He's so cute.
Unfortunately, this light is very sharp in his eyes, so they've got his face covered.
How's it, Grabs?
Okay, go for him. Take him now for his ride. Be careful with him, eh? No speeding and rough riding.